What we do here is go back.
So I wasn't able to reach top speed like I normally do. The top speed on this thing seems to be around 53 miles an hour with that new split sprocket. Unfortunately, I got that red clutch on there and not my max torque gold clutch. The reason being is when I removed my max torque gold clutch, I practically destroyed it just to get it off. It seemed like the woodruff key disintegrated and slightly melted to the crank of this bike. It made it an absolute nightmare to remove it, even though I bought everything from Harbor Freight. But the weights, spring, and drum are all still in excellent condition. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to rebuild this clutch with max torque parts. Anyway, I wanted to thank everyone who subscribed to me. I would never thought I'd get this far on YouTube or even farther. I just made it for fun and see who watched it. But it seems to keep climbing, and I hope people keep subscribing. Unfortunately, I'll probably be getting rid of this mini bike, either trading it for something bigger or buying something bigger. The EX with suspension or just a normal 200 with no suspension. The 200 pretty much is just the exact same thing, but bigger. And I do believe they come with a torque converter. Putting a split sprocket on that, you might have some interesting results.